bought these additional tips for my soldering iron, and it came with this super unsteady base. And I always find myself tipping it over with the soldering iron cord and having to put them back in the stand here. So let's design something a little bit better. All right, let's start a new part. Make a new sketch on the front panel, front plane. The soldering tips are 6.6 millimeters. I'm going to make a 7 millimeter hole. And I want to make a linear pattern. And I want it to be 3 by 4. And the entity to pattern is the circle. That looks pretty good like that. And now I can make another circle here. Now I'm trying to just make the perimeter. And I just want to trim the lines I don't need. There we go. And now I'm going to extrude this sketch. And the previous stand is 11.3 millimeters tall. I want it to be slightly taller so it's sturdier, more stable. So I'm gonna close to double that. I'll go 20 millimeters. That looks good. I want to close up the bottom, so make a sketch on here as well. And I'll convert this entity and I'll just do the perimeter line there. Now I can do another extrude boss base. And we can give it a 1 millimeter cap. There we go. Now I'll save this out as an STL and slice it in Cura. And the last one's in the soldering iron. I'll put the link to the STL in the description below. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.